So we would have to start with our experience with Chip Bartley as something where everything is full disclosure. You feel comfortable because he's just telling you how it is no matter what the situation.
The process was awesome. Chip was there for us the whole time, always in communication with us. That's priceless.
Chip took away a lot of the anxieties as a first-time seller.
I've had a lot of experience with realtors, but this has been exceptional. All my dealings with Chip have been really effortless, and he's been extremely professional, and I really love how he and Buffy work as a team. So on all the transactions that I've had with them, it's just been super easy.
As a team, you know, Buffy and Chip really took care of us. It's integral that the lender and the agent are in constant communication. And
we were able to communicate very well with you and find out what the seller, you know, was wanting and how far we could push things and, you know, and not. And
Great.
So it just made it very easy.
He was just such a fantastic realtor. He was always present and available.
He got us into the right neighborhood of the prices. And we also didn't want to pay for a couple other expenses and stuff like that. But one of the things that I appreciated about Chip and his professionalism is when it came down to the sale, he covered a couple of things because it was the right thing to do to get the house sold.
I like the fact that what they say is what they do. They're very aggressive. They get it done. They get the job done.
We've also looked at other properties that I could do a 1031 exchange with, and which is complex, and he knows how to do it. So he has a lot of knowledge that that I can utilize in my business.
When you own your own business, there's all these questions that come up, like we don't really know what to do. This is our first home.
Yeah.
So when we go to different professionals and we ask these tough questions, we're not getting direct answers. And with Buffy and with Chip, we knew exactly what we needed to do, and things happened, and we got the house of our dreams because they knew the answers to our questions.
The most anxious time was feeling like the people that were madly in love with our house backed out in 4 days. That was a very anxious time for me. We were really happy that we had a really good, solid backup, and we're good to go.
And he was always available. If we had questions, we could call him up night or day. He spoke a language that we could understand. He was truthful, and sometimes that hurt, but we needed it. We needed
Yeah,
that.
definitely.
For me, I was most concerned because the number of contingencies. Our house is contingent, the buyer's house is contingent, and Chip and his team made sure that we felt good that things were happening that were going to keep us from having to be worried about that. And the team as a whole seemed like it worked together to back us up and make sure that other houses got sold to our advantage. So I was happy about that.
Working with you and Buffy was really great because the friendly manner, the instant responses to any questions that we had, it was very helpful, and we were able to like put our mind at rest, you know, when we weren't sure about things, and it went so smoothly that it was almost scary.
And they wouldn't have been able to make it happen for one thing, relationships. They have relationships with everyone, it seems, here in Ventura County.
Absolutely, we'd use you guys again. You know, you can't beat their team approach. The pricing was great. Chip's knowledge and trustworthiness is, you know, priceless, so we'd definitely be willing to refer a friend, use you guys again. We really appreciate the help.
I would say Chip happens, he makes it happen, and it's worked for us.
Yeah, definitely, we would recommend you again.
Well, if you want your house sold quickly and efficiently and smoothly, call him.
I'm happy to refer my friends and family to Chip. I know that they'll be well taken care of, and I've already, you know, been referring them business because for me, it's so hard to find people in the real estate business that are honest and have integrity, and I know that that's how they both operate.
You hire Chip and you know you're going to get good results.
Absolutely.
With them taking the time, going through everything, we are here today.
Yeah, I mean, when you're searching for a realtor and a mortgage officer, your search ends right here.